Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into successor. 5 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Descendant. Which means a person, plant, or animal that is descended from a particular ancestor. Descendant. For example, she's a descendant of Charles Darwin. Number 2. Heir. Which means a person legally entitled to the property or rank of another on that person's death. Heir. For example, his eldest son and heir. Number 3. Replacement. Which means a person or thing that takes the place of another. Replacement. For example, please stay until we find a replacement for you. Number 4. Inheritor. Which means a person who inherits something. Inheritor. For example, we are the inheritors of these cultural traditions. If you liked the video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for similar videos.